If you're feeling unmotivated, sad, lost, unfocused, or just flat, I want you to hear this clearly. This is not a personal failure. Very often, feeling unmotivated is a sign that your goals are abstract, not that you're lazy. When goals live only in your head, they drain you instead of pulling you forward. And when life feels overwhelming, the mistake is trying to solve your whole life at once. Focus improves fastest when you shrink the time horizon from my life to the next 10 minutes. 10 minutes is survivable, 10 minutes is actionable, 10 minutes can restore momentum. Here's something important we rarely say out loud. Sadness deepens when days blur together. Structure creates emotional contrast. Even light structure gives your mind something to lean against. It turns time back into something you can feel, not just endure. If you feel depleted, check your expectations. Motivation collapses when expectations exceed available energy. Alignment restores it. You don't need to do more. You need to ask less of yourself right now. And if you're waiting for clarity before acting, that wait may never end. You don't need clarity to begin. Clarity is a side effect of beginning. Movement creates information. Action creates feedback. Feedback creates direction. When effort feels pointless, sadness gets louder. But meaning restores energy before pleasure does. You don't need excitement. You need engagement. You don't escape flatness by excitement. You escape it by engagement. If you're unfocused, it's often because you're carrying too many unresolved decisions at once. Close one loop. Finish one small thing. Let that evidence rebuild your trust. And finally, if you feel lost, remember this. Feeling lost is often a sign that an old identity no longer fits, not that you're broken. You're not behind, you're transitioning. Start small, start now. Let the next 10 minutes change the direction of the day. If this was helpful, subscribe for more motivation.